Update for the BWT Core Levels for Wednesday, June 11th, 2025. Before I show this chart on the core levels, I want to share a chart with the BWT Auto Trader. Okay, this chart with the Auto Trader is hybrid trading mode, meaning I enter the trades using the buy or the buy add or sell add buttons. And this qualified for a $50,000 evaluation account with Apex. And there is an 80% off sale with Apex right now, and it's good for 2 weeks, I think till the 23rd of June or something like that, but it's quite a while. So get in there and get your evals. If you're wondering or having trouble passing an eval, our tool with the Auto Trader is the perfect way to do that. The details and link to purchase will be in the description. It's also 20% off the core levels, and the details will be in the description. And this is the core levels on with our Super Renko bars. And what I did is I reversed the colors for the buy and sell zones. We actually have these zones blue and these zones red, but I swapped it out here for obvious reasons. And the signals today, just look at the accuracy of the core levels. Here's your open down to the buy zone here to the low mid one, almost to the tick, maybe breached the low mid one by a couple of ticks, and excellent signals on the BWT trend bars, a quick bounce up to the point of control, and then all the way to the expected high after the 1030 recalculation right here. And then there was a lower high. This is the BWT price action indicator. Again, excellent signals here and excellent signals on the trend bars. This sold off all the way down to the buy zones here, as you can see, and touched it by a tick here, almost to the expected low. And where did it go? All the way up, just shy of a tick or two from the high mid one, and then rolled over and then came down to the low mid one, to the expected low, and then the low mid two area where it touched it to the tick right here, and then came down almost to the extended low, and then up to the expected low. But it's pretty amazing on this day how close to the levels are the swing highs and lows. This is a really great chart demonstrating the ability of the core levels. In recent videos, I've talked about the great divergences on the precision oscillator, and it holds true even on Renko charts. Here's a great divergence signal right here off the low of the day. Okay, here's the core levels on the ES. Here's the open of the market coming down to the buy zone here, and then up to the sell zone, and again, note the accuracy. And then down almost to the expected low, back up to the high mid one, just breached by a few ticks, and then through the expected low, down to low mid two, again, extreme accuracy here up to the expected low, and then down to the extended low, hit almost to the tick, back up to the expected low, and so forth. Here I wanted to show the BWT trend bars with the prices filled in on the trend reversals. And this works really well in all time frames. This is a Super Renko 20 on the ES here. All right, here's the levels called before the market opened in the trade room on the ES. All upside targets were hit. That was it. There were no downside targets called after that. What's interesting here is this have to hold area was hit to the tick, and that was the lower high here, and the market rolled over after that. You can do a 3-day free trial of our trade room. Again, it'll be in the description. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.